Understanding your TOEFL and IELTS scores. Accessing them with ease. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the process of accessing your TOEFL and IELTS scores. These tests are essential for non-native English speakers who are looking to study or work in English-speaking countries. So, understanding how to get your scores is crucial. Let's get started. Accessing and understanding your TOEFL and IELTS scores is the first step in evaluating your English proficiency. Knowing your scores. 1. Helps you determine your readiness for English-speaking environments. 2. Allows you to apply for universities or jobs that require a certain level of English proficiency. 3. Gives insights into areas where you may need further study or preparation. The TOEFL test is managed by ETS. After taking the TOEFL, 1. Log into your ETS account. This is the account you created when you registered for the test. 2. Navigate to the View Scores section. 3. Here, you'll see your scores for the 4 sections of the test: reading, listening, speaking, and writing, as well as your total score. Note: TOEFL scores are available online approximately 10 days after your test date. The IELTS test is jointly managed by the British Council, IDP, IELTS Australia, and Cambridge English Language Assessment. 1. If you took the computer-delivered IELTS, your scores will be available online within 3 to 5 days. 2. For the paper-based IELTS, you will need to wait for 13 calendar days. 3. Log into your IELTS account, either on the British Council or IDP website, depending on where you registered. 4. Navigate to the View Test Results or a similarly labeled section. 5. You'll find your scores for listening, reading, writing, and speaking, along with an overall band score. Always keep a hard copy or a digital screenshot of your scores for records. Scores are available for a limited time online, typically 2 years, so ensure you have your records saved elsewhere. If you're sending scores to universities or employers, there might be additional steps or fees involved. So, always check the requirements of the institution you're sending scores to. There you have it. That's how you can effortlessly access your TOEFL and IELTS scores. We hope this guide has been beneficial. Remember, these scores are not just numbers but a reflection of your hard work and dedication. All the best in your English learning journey, and see you in our next video.